How to apply duration limit for subtitles. To begin, I opened a subtitle and a video, and you can see that some of my subtitle lines have duration of less than a second, and some of them have duration of more than 4 seconds. To apply duration limit, just go to Tools and select Apply Duration Limits. Here you can set the minimum duration limit. I put 1 second. Also you can set the maximum duration limit. I put 4 seconds here. Next, you can see a list of lines that will be fixed. The lines 24 and 26 will be fixed. Next, you can see a list of lines that will not be fixed. The line 19 will not be fixed because the display time of it will overlap the start time of line 20. Now click OK. To fix line 19, first, select line 20 and decrease its duration from the start point. And now line 19 has some space and can be fixed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.